see this UXPI? No, UPXI. So right now we are still holding it up here. Put the Tesla in place. MLGO, keep an eye on that one as well. SPY,
Jenny, can you
Sen-
look at VST real quick? Sorry.
VST.
Yeah, I
Sure.
had to go into Zoom in a minute here. I just want to have VST.
VST.
118.
Uh, well, this is how your VST looks right now.
It's not doing anything, but
So we are still grinding here on your VST, right? It's still grinding. No
yeah.
curl for an upside move. But
Okay.
but that said, you can see a little bit of a flag here on your VST, right?
We have a gap, right? We got a gap to fill.
This channel,
Mhm.
it's in right now. So yeah, definitely keep an eye on it. Your next support line would be down here. See if you can break it over for an upside move, but there is no curl in it right now
Okay.
on your VST.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other tickers you guys want to talk about? What is that? Oh, yeah. Okay, I get it. I get it. All right, so we talked about bottoming the market, what you need to be listening to. All right, bottoming the market. So keep your ears up, out, up, alert. You know what I mean, right? That's the only way we're gonna get a push on the market as a bottoming. Keep an eye on this UPXI. Still flagging it here. They're not letting it go right now, so definitely keep an eye on that resistance. You want to push through for more upside. Next resistance I have on it would be all the way up to 16. All right, 16. um, the other one is this MLGO. Another one that they're holding up here right now, MLGO. Um, this one is definitely a lot weaker than UPXI, but I mean the one that has the range right here right now is UPXI, right? That's the one with the range on it. So definitely keep an eye on. 16 is my next resistance on it. So let me put my resistance lines in place here on this UPXI so you guys can see it. So you have a resistance here, and after that, 16. All right. Any other questions? Any other ticker you guys want to talk about? The tickers. So let's see if we're gonna get that push that I'm looking for. Okay. Don't jump the gun. And we have, what, 5 more minutes? Let it pull, let it pull, let it pull. You guys understand when I was talking about bottoming the market, right? Did anybody don't understand it? The bottoming the market thing? Anybody? 5 more minutes. All right, so let's see what's already happening here. We're getting a little bit of a base creation, trying to curl here on MSTR, curl already on PLTR. Gives a little bit of a pop here on NVIDIA. The same thing goes for ARM. It's trying. It's not breaking over resistance. The same thing goes for Apple. They are trying to make that move. All right, we're anticipating, but patient now. PLTR pushing a little bit higher. So is trying here with this MSTR as well. ARM. Ooh, look at the spreads on ARM just opened up like crazy. Nice push on PLTR. PLTR. Beautiful push on PLTR. NVIDIA is pushing as well. ARM. Tesla is going the opposite direction. That's fine. That's fine. That is fine. Beautiful push on Apple as well. So right now we are getting this push on Apple, on PLTR, MSTR, APP is trying, PDD is trying. The only one right now going the opposite direction would be that Tesla. That's the only one right now. Everything else is trying to make a push. I mean, look at this PLTR already, right? Look at this move right now. Boom, right? Broke over resistance. Bye bye. Next resistance you're gonna find will be up here on this PLTR. Why is everybody so quiet? Nvidia coming up to the next resistance here. But Tesla is still not making that curl we are looking for. And we have earnings on Tesla the day after tomorrow, right? After the close. SPY is trying to make that push here. MLGO pushing up to the first resistance, coming up to the second resistance, pushing through.
Out
MLGO.
95% of Tesla short here.
Tankajura. Come on, Tesla. You pushed through that resistance up there. Come on. Come on. Beautiful move on Apple. PLTR. MSTR. Coin is trying. APP. PDD. Only one going opposite is Tesla, man. Come on, Tesla. You can do it. Turn around. Come on. Turn around.
Out
Come on, push.
PLTR long all shares.
Well done. Come on, Tesla. Come on, Tesla. Push. Turn around and push. Come on. Come on. By you. We want to see that SPY break over that resistance up here, and it's no not doing it yet. MLGO came up to the next resistance here very fast, and now pulling back down, straight down again. It's not pushing through that resistance area. So right now, the only one that's making a push through is PLTR.
Danny, you
Nvidia,
looking at Netflix?
no, I did not see that Netflix. NFLX. Lex. Oof. Yeah, beautiful push, man. Beautiful. Come on, Tesla. Push, 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 push. Come on. Push, push, push. Good girl. Come on, breakthrough, breakthrough, breakthrough. Come on. Ah. Came up to resistance, gave it up. Nvidia, MLGO, same kind of thing. All right, we are not seeing a push through that resistance area. Not seeing it, at least not yet. As long as we cannot get that SPY to push through that resistance up here, we are still having issues. So we got to push on this UPXI. Came up to the next resistance here. Come on, Tesla. See if we can get any buyers to come into this Tesla and push it now. SPY is coming down and wants to retest resistance here. Come on, Tesla. Bad girl. Damn it. Cannot get that Tesla to push through. SPY coming down to the first support here. Go. Push. Push. Come on. Come on, Tesla. You piece of poo poo. Push. Push. Come on. Well done, guys, for you who took this UPXI. Beautiful move. Beautiful veins in it. UPXI. I told you that the next one is now 16, all right? That's my next resistance. Move your stops. Beautiful move on PLTR. PLTR flying. Let me show you this PLTR, what it did, right? Look at this move right now on PLTR. Broke over resistances. Bye bye.
Oh, Netflix short, 95%. We're back at what?
It's your next resistance up here on PLTR. Look at the pull on Nvidia right now. That's happening. Nvidia. NV. The came up to resistance here. Didn't want to push through. Now it's pulling right back down, breaking over support. Coming down to the next support here on Nvidia very, very fast. Look at the pull here we are getting on SPY, right? Everything's being pulled right now. So let's see if we're going to break on this. Going to go deeper now on Nvidia. So we are not getting a breakout on coin, on MSTR, on Nvidia. Came up to resistance. Didn't want to push through, right? APP. That SPY. If we could get that SPY to break over that resistance we wanted, we could get that push on everything. But fortunately, no buyers is coming in right now. MLGO, beautiful push as well. Small ticker. The other one was better though on UPXI. EP, XI. And if anybody is in on YouTube, good morning to everybody in YouTube. Coin again retesting that resistance here. Coin has still issues breaking over that resistance. Same thing goes for APP. Not breaking through. Look at Nvidia, how stupid. I mean, Nvidia, right? Look at this. Came up to resistance, didn't want to push through. Came down to support and holding. That's so stupid, man.
MLGO halted.
MLGO, beautiful. So right now, Nvidia is between those three lines here, bouncing up and down. SPY's holding, it's not breaking down. I wonder what Tesla is gonna do on earnings tomorrow after hours. Gonna be fun. But we're gonna talk about a lot more about the Tesla and the earnings tomorrow. But PLTR definitely made a beautiful move. PLTR, how it broke over resistance and there was no looking back. It just flew away, right? Giving us a little bit of a pullback now with a flag on it. Didn't quite get all the way up to the next resistance we have on PLTR, but stays still young, right? SPY still holding. Right now, SPY is still making this double bottom down here without breaking down, at least not yet. Still trying to hold it here. So there's no movement on that SPY. Pearl, no, nothing. MLGO coming up to 11. Well done, guys. MLGO coming up to the next resistance here, guys. So definitely, if you're in MLGO, you gotta take some profit. All right, when just sticking out its nose above my resistance area here, just stuck its nose out. So definitely take some profit here. You're gonna get a pullback on it. SPY still holding. UPXI held that support line. It's trying to break over the next resistance here. Volume coming in at 245, 55, 63,000 right now. 280, 290, 300,000. So let's see if it's going to have the momentum to push through resistance here on UPXI. Look at the pullback on MLGO right now. Boom. Next support we have on Tesla would be just a little bit lower here. Get it down next to the next support line would be even better. Right now, it's just trying to break on the support. APP moving nicely. APP, another one we had in pre-market today. Talked about this APP, broke over resistance and give us a nice push. APP. PDD is doing absolutely nothing today. Nothing. Zilled. Coin does not want to push through. Whoops. Making a little bit of a push here. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? I don't know. Come on. UPXI. Next resistance we set 16, right? Are we gonna get all the way up there? Maybe. There it is. It's your next resistance up here. Look how it held that support line, right? Nice push. Move your stops, take some profit along the way. Don't trust it too much. You don't want to see a crazy pull on you, right? They're holding up that SPY right now.
Jenny, I'm still doing UPXI. Thank you.
Well done, Dina. Beautiful. Move your stops and take some profit, Dina.
Yeah, I just got up into the 14s and I sold.
All right.
As am I. Yes. Thank you, Jenny. I sold as well.
Yeah,
Well
it's a
done.
good one,
Well
isn't
done,
it?
guys.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
it is.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Well, Tesla is doing absolutely nothing today. Very weak. This small pullbacks we are getting, it's not big enough. So too small. Nvidia pop and dump, holding support though, not breaking down. Um, coin is not pushing through. PDD made a nice move. PDD gave us a nice push. Mhm. Well done, guys, on your trades on UPXI. Beautiful, no? It would have been better if we could get it up to that next resistance 16, but right now it doesn't want to do it. Dina, what's the your delta saying? Oh,
20 million over 14 million. 36 delta.
36. So more buyers than sellers right now? Really?
21 million are buying, 14 million are selling.
Right. So yeah, but it's pulling. So shouldn't the sellers be more and your delta should be negative?
Well, that's what it says. 36.
Right.
No. Buyers are 21 million and sellers are 14 million.
Right.
So there's 7 million more buyers.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, sorry. I misunderstood you.
Wait a minute. Mhm. What time frame are you looking at?
1 minute.
All right, good. Hmm.
Oh, I can see what the other ones are. Let's see. Hmm. 15 minutes got 26 million buying and 0 selling, and Delta's 200%. So it's not over, I don't think.
Got it.
Right?
hmm Well, let's see. UPXI. Let me see here. What do I have? PXI. Uh, 1 minute.
Just one moment.
Yeah, I also have the delta positive. Yeah, my delta is positive too.
Good. I'm doing MLGO. I just got out of it though. Just did that a little bit because I'm focusing on UXPI more.
All right. Does anybody have any questions? Anybody? Gajora, do you see any questions over there in YouTube? Spy almost there.
Danny,
Yes, Ken?
I was
What's
wondering while
yes?
I'm listening to you and driving to Detroit, what do you think is going to happen tomorrow with Tesla's earnings?
Well, that's what I said, Ken. Tomorrow we're gonna talk a lot about Tesla. Tomorrow.
I'm thinking about risking like $100 on one of these TSLL calls
Well,
or
Ken.
put.
Well, Ken, the factory in China selling Teslas is they're not selling very many of Teslas right now. I can tell you that. The same thing goes in Europe. People are boycotting Teslas. So what's going to happen, and what are what are they going to forecast? We'll talk about it more tomorrow, Ken. Just be careful. Tesla is not just a U.S. market, just like Netflix, right? It's all over the place. It's everywhere. I know a lot of companies. It's only in U.S. Right? Like uh, Waldo, not Waldo. What is it called? This store with selling stuff, big one, mall, kind of wall Walmart. Yeah, Walmart. Right? That's only in the U.S. But Tesla is international, and they are getting a lot of heat from everywhere right now. So definitely be very, very cautious. Ken, all right? Ken, are you there?
Yes, sir.
All right. While you're driving your Hitler car, drive carefully, all right? Are you driving your Hitler car or are you driving a Mustang? But it's coming down to the next support here. Still a little bit on the heavy side still on SPY. The next support I have on SPY would be all the way down at, what is that? That is 516.43. 1643 is my next level of support on SPY. Right now, SPY is dumping, taking things down with it, taking down MSTR, Reddit, Coin, PLTR, Apple, Carvana, ARM, Tesla, Nvidia, APP. Everything is being pulled right now, right? 72% of all the Amazon products sold comes from China. 72%.
That's a lot, Jenny.
That's it's everything. Oh my God. That is a lot, Gajora.
Sorry about that, Jenny. I was going through the car wash. I'm in
All
my
right.
Volkswagen today because I got a
I
long
knew it.
drive.
I knew it. You were driving that Hitler car. I knew it.
Yes, sir. I just seen a movie too where a dude was criticizing his buddy for supporting Hitler's cars because he had one. It started to make me think about you. I'm like,
All right, guys. Keep an eye on this Tesla here. This area of Tesla is an important one. All right. Keep an eye on it. There is no curl on it yet. All right. So let's see what Tesla wants to do here. No curl, just a little bit still on the heavy side on your Tesla. Still heavy. But Ken, you heard what I said about Tesla, right?
good, boss.
Good. Because they are not in favor right now, whether it is in Asia or in this godforsaken continent over here.
Yeah. So on that note, aren't you supposed to buy the fear? It seems like it'd be a good time to buy it when everybody's panicking.
But it's not about fear on Tesla, it's about boycotting it. It's not like they're afraid of it, they are deliberately boycotting it. So it's not the fear that you need to worry about. Do you understand the difference, Ken?
Uh, yes, I do. I
Mhm.
just I don't know, man. Tesla's like one of my favorites, and
I
one of your
understand that.
favorites. And
Yes, I understand
I
that.
feel like Elon and Trump are gonna like take all that coin money they made in a couple of days and maybe start jacking it back up.
Well, that's why, Ken, I was talking about bottoming the market. How you gonna identify the bottom of the market? That's why we talked about it in pre-market. If you remember, were you listening?
Probably not, boss.
All right.
I was busy out in the garden this morning getting things
Okay,
prepped.
no, that's fine. It's fine, kid. So I was saying, keep an eye on the Fed. All right, the Fed, numero uno. If you hear anything remotely close to QE from the Fed side, just mention it, just pronouncing it, or even just hinting to it. You're gonna see a bottom of the market, and we're gonna push. All right, that's what you're gonna be listening to right now. That's the important part.
And what time is that?
What time? No, no, no. He's not talking. I'm just saying that next time he talks, or then if something comes up, any news coming out from the chosen one, anything regarding QE or hinting to it, it's gonna be the bottom of the market. All right.
Gotcha. So I'll be looking for calls or leaps at least. I took
Yeah.
a lot of my leaps out a couple of weeks ago, took profits, and
Mhm.
basically ones I do have were free, and I still made a little bit, but I'm just nervous. I just tried
That.
trading on my phone just now, bullshitting around, and lost like $40, so I quit.
Yeah. No, you should definitely not be comfortable in this kind of market we are right now. All right. Do not feel comfortable. This is a very tricky place to be in right now. Remember what I said on Friday? The market today, it's like this a rubber ball that you cannot predict how it's going to bounce. You remember those balls? When they're bouncing around and you cannot predict which angle they're going to go? That's the kind of market we are in right now. All right, so keep an eye on this Tesla here. We're hitting that support on Tesla. Keep an eye on it now. Are we gonna get a curl? I don't know that. All right. Right now we are still. Let me remove this bubble here. All right, we are still just touching this, making it still a little bit of a base. All right, keep an eye on your flag, your trend line flag now. All right, this is what you need to worry about now. Keep an eye on it. If we're gonna get a curl for an upside move on your Tesla, right now we are still on the heavy side. Okay, UPXI, UPXI. Come on, we are just a breath away from that 16. Come on, you can do it. Come on, push it up there. One more breath, and we're gonna hit that 16. Guys, last breath, all right? Last breath if you're in it. You got to start taking profit off on your UPXI. Ken, we had this one UPXI from 430 and now it's 1435.
Yeah, I think I watched Dana take that trade. She was like hit it at 5 to 8.
Yeah, yeah, she did. Dina and Anita, yeah. Beautiful. Last breath, guys. Be careful.
No, don't say that.
I'm saying it so you can take some profit off. Otherwise, I
I
know
just did. I
you
just
will
did.
stay in there. Good.
No, I'm good. I'm out, but I'm just getting little. I'm just doing little bites each time
Good.
and
Good.
getting out,
All right, fine.
going up the ladder.
Yes. Well done.
Thank you. It's good. What is
Tesla
your
is
next
strong.
resistance on it?
Hmm?
Oh, you said 16. Okay,
I
I see
said
16.
16, right?
Yeah,
Up
yeah.
there's 1593.
Well, we got 22 million buyers and 16 million sellers, so we're still
Yeah.
the delta's 38.
SPY is making a base here. That's trying to hold. MLGO holding gave us a pop. Holding support and flagging here. So keep an eye on this support line and the trend line flag you have on MLGO. Beautiful short on Nvidia. Nvidia coming slowly down to the next level of support as well. Pop and dump on coin. Pop and dump on MSTR. Pop and dump on Reddit. PLTR. APP. Apple. All of them. Right? With that SPY pulling everything down with it. Hitting that 16. So you're hitting the next resistance here, right? On your UPXI.
Yeah, Jenny, I got out right at that high. Looks like
Beautiful.
it's going to keep on going, but I'm 100% out now.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Well done, Anita. That's a great
Thank
trade.
you.
So in this case, you are in it still, right? You definitely take 90%, 80% off your trade. Needs to break above over that resistance, and you're gonna move your stops just under that line, right? The rest, the 10%, the 20%, but definitely you are taking off as much as possible now, right? You're leaving just a tiny little bit. Kajora? And Tesla, SPY still basing. Tesla is trying to get up there to crawl up. Still on the heavy side, we are.
You sound like Yoda.
I sound like
Still on the heavy
Yoda?
side. Yoda on Star Wars.
Why do I sound like
He's
him?
always saying he speaks in philosophy like you will be or be smart. You will. You know, always it's always I
Right.
don't know. I'm not very good with the English explanation of it, but the way
Got
you
it.
say it,
Got it.
pretty funny.
Got it. Spy is still trying to hold here. Trying to hold. Any questions, anybody? Where's Ken Dance today? Kajora? Still Tesla right now, still on weak side. Still weak. It is trying to make a little bit of a curl, but we are still weak on it, all right? Don't trust it too much. We can easily come down again and retest that, create that double bottom down there before. Manage your stops. Right now, and SPY still not giving us any kind of a curl, just holding it here. All right, playing with us, toying with us, no curl, just basing. So let's see what Tesla wants to do here. It's testing that support line, right? Testing that support. So we went just under it, dip its nose under, we broke above, and now it's testing that support line. Look how it's hitting that support line without breaking it, right? So right now, the same kind of setup you have on SPY, you have on NVIDIA, right? You have on APP, You have on PLTR flagging here, holding support. All right, is anybody in the on YouTube? I can't see anybody. Kajora, I cannot see anybody in YouTube. If you can see them,
Yeah, there's people watching. There just hasn't been anybody commenting.
right? And guys, if you are interested in this UPXI here, do not let it break under your support line. All right? Do not let it pull. This is very risky up here. It's by breaking under support. Coming up to 18 on UPXI. Guys, do you see how those lines are protecting you? They're telling you to get into the trade and they are protecting you. That's what it's all about, right? Protection. Take some profit off. Take some profit off at this 18. Dina, Anita, I know you can hear me.
Yep, I
This
got it. I got the
this
18.
is a risky place now. All
Okay.
right.
That's like the only thing I'm good at is going up, like buying and selling quick. Just I guess it's pew pew.
Pew pew, exactly.
I was pew pewing it. I was good
Yeah.
at it. I'm not good
Right.
at much. I can do. I love doing that.
That's great, Dina.
Yeah.
Well, you have the master next to you.
Mm-hmm.
Kajora, Kajora, Dina loves to pew pew.
Pew pewing. I mean, where's this going to go? To the moon? Go to the
No,
moon? Let's go to the moon, Jenny.
no,
No moon.
not
Okay.
now.
Not
Let it give
today.
you a pullback first.
Well, just a minute ago was that 13. That was beautiful.
Yes, but now I told you, take some profit at this
I did.
18.
Yeah.
Get out now. Let it
Yeah.
pull, and then we'll look at it again.
Okay, we'll revisit.
Exactly.
Okay.
You're only
Fine.
dating it. You are not gonna create any
Gonna marry it?
relationship with it.
I'm not marrying it. I'm just dating it.
No, no marrying.
I'm using it.
Yes, and I feel abused.
Go 18. Ding 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 ding.
Don't
bet Candace is just sitting there,
don't.
just
Where is Candace?
I don't know. She's gonna come in and say, "Oh yeah, I got about 20 points on this." So we started at 2, or we didn't, but it did.
Well, we started at 4:30.
Yeah.
Look how Tesla is holding here.
Yeah, Tesla needs to go up. I got some TSLL.
We still want that see that curl on SPY, and it's not doing it yet. I'm not seeing any buyers coming in right now.
Well, we probably don't have any good news. Let's see what the latest news is on Spot.
News? Maybe the guy with the eyeliner has something.
JD Vance? um,
That's funny. Why is nobody in YouTube saying anything? Hello? Maybe something's wrong with my screen and I cannot see you're saying good morning, you are saying questions, you are not saying anything. Ah. Tesla is still not giving us a curl, but it is giving us that double bottom down here on your Tesla. Coming up to 20. You guys give me a minute. All right, Tesla, it's definitely on the slow side. Keep an eye on this UPXI. We are holding on to this support line right now. It's respecting, right now, it's respecting that support here. Does anybody have any questions?
Well, Tesla long 95%.
Nice, Kajora. You guys are seeing how this UPXI is holding, huh? Right now.
Yes.
Good. Tesla is coming up and retesting this resistance we need to break through. MSTR, a little bit on the heavy side here. MSTR. APP making a base here. Beautiful short on APP as well. Just like PLTR. ARM made a beautiful double bottom down here as well.
Tell Arm to go back up. Get back up there.
Get up there.
Get up there.
Well, it's trying. It is trying.
I know. I'm in it. I'm just waiting. I'm just playing UPXI until it decides it wants to do something.
Right.
UPXI is my backup today.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so glad you found it, Janny. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Well done, Deep.
What'd you find, Janie?
UPXI.
What I found? Oh, yes, UPXI.
Oh, I was hoping for something cool like the formula to Mountain Dew so I can make my own.
Next time, next time.
I'm looking forward to it.
I will talk to my people.
You'll talk to your people. You'll talk to your crystal ball.
Crystal ball.
Yes. Talk to your gypsy.
Mm. Don't trust anything right now. UPXI is running out of space right now.
That's very tight on there, on that little support.
Yeah. What's the flag?
What's it gonna do?
What's the flag?
Yeah, I think it might take a little break for a while. Or not. As I say that it goes up.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Let's buy breaking under support here again, damn it. MLGO breaking over the 12 right now. UPXI still holding it here.